If you're getting the Epic Games error retry message, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the quickest fixes step by step so you can get back into the launcher as fast as possible. This usually happens because of a server issue, a network problem, or a launcher cache problem, and in most cases you can solve it without reinstalling everything. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, before changing anything on your PC, check whether Epic Games is having a server issue. Sometimes the error retry message appears because Epic's servers are temporarily down or under maintenance. Open your browser and search for Epic Games server status, or check their official status page and community updates. If the servers are having problems, the best thing to do is wait a little while and try again later. If the servers are working fine, the next step is to restart your modem and router. A simple power cycle can fix connection issues that prevent the Epic Games launcher from connecting properly. Turn off your modem and router, unplug them from power, wait about 30 seconds to 1 minute, and then plug them back in. Once your internet is fully restored, reopen the Epic Games launcher and see if the error is gone. Another very important fix is to disable any VPN you may be using. VPNs often interfere with launcher connections, sign-in requests, and server communication. If you have a VPN enabled, disconnect it completely and then try launching Epic Games again. In many cases, this alone solves the retry error instantly. Now let's move on to the launcher itself. Right-click the Epic Games launcher shortcut and choose Run as Administrator. This gives the launcher the permissions it needs to connect properly and write files without restriction. If a permissions issue is causing the problem, running it as administrator may fix it right away. If the error still appears, the next step is to clear the Epic Games web cache. This is one of the most effective fixes for launcher errors, login issues, and loading problems. First, close the Epic Games launcher completely. Make sure it is not still running in the background. You can check the system tray and end it if needed. Next, press Windows key plus R to open the run box. Type %local app data % and press enter. This will take you into your local app data folder. From there, open the Epic Games launcher folder, then open the saved folder. Inside that folder, look for the web cache folder and the webcache _4147 folder. Delete both of those folders. Don't worry. This will not delete your games or your account, it simply removes temporary cache files that may be corrupted. After deleting them, close the window and reopen the Epic Games launcher. The launcher will recreate fresh cache files automatically, and that often clears the retry error. If you still haven't fixed it, try repairing the Epic Games launcher through Control Panel. Open Control Panel, go to Programs and Features, find Epic Games launcher in the list, and select Repair if the option is available. This can restore damaged files and fix launcher components that might be causing the issue. After repairing, restart your computer and test the launcher again. A full restart helps apply the changes properly and clears out any background processes that could still be affecting Epic Games. So to recap, the best way to fix the Epic Games error retry message is to first check server status, then restart your modem and router, disable any VPN, run the launcher as administrator, clear the web cache, and repair the launcher if needed. One of these steps usually resolves the issue. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more gaming and PC troubleshooting guides. And if you want, I can also help you with more Epic Games fixes like login errors, update errors, or launcher not opening at all. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.